thought we were done, huh? We just got back up from New York, dropping off the PCs for the AMP crew. And while I was out there, Agent came to me and said, hey, I have an opportunity for you if you're down. It's gonna be with me, Sketch, the NFL, and Twitch, but it's literally the following week. It was like 4 days as I was out in New York. And obviously, I'm not gonna say no to this opportunity. So I said yes. Let's do another cool PC build for the boys. All right, so obviously I had to hit up Suto for this. This was a very last minute thing, but once I jumped on a call with her and explained to her what we were doing, she was on board for it. So she went straight to work. She sent me the stuff on Monday. And then as you can see, I went straight to work on Monday the minute I got here to start doing the print. It's a pretty tedious process, nothing too crazy. Just gotta do some measurements, make sure everything's lined up properly. And as the UV printer works, I pretty much get the next panel ready. There's two versions of the side panel itself. We did one for Agent and one for Sketch. So whoever wins, we switch the side panel to the Sketch version or to the Agent version. Now, if they lose, I'm still gonna give them the panel though, just as a kind of like, hey, you still won something. So let's get these packed and let's hop on a plane to Texas. So once we finish packing these PCs, unfortunately, the time frame to ship this out through UPS, it would have been right on Thursday, and the event is literally on Thursday, so we didn't want to risk it. So what we decided to do is actually put everything in our own Pelican case, so that way we can travel with it on the plane. As you can see, there's two PCs in here. Agent actually ended up buying a travel PC from us, so that's what this one is here. So we're also gonna drop that off for him, and then we have the prize PC right here as well. We're also gonna be packing the panels right on top individually. We don't want it to vibrate with the panel and the travel, but as you can see, we're pretty much good to go. So let's go ahead and put the panels in here and close this bad boy up and head over to the airport. All right, now these are all packed up. We're gonna head to the airport. We're gonna get these bad boys over to Texas for the big reveal for Sketch and Agent. So we drove to the airport. We were planning to leave. We booked flights and everything. We were good, but everything kept getting delayed hours and hours at a time. And it got to the point where we were pretty much just not gonna make it tomorrow, which the activation is tomorrow with Sketch and Agent. So last minute decision, Jomar and I literally just decided to say, screw it, we gotta drive. So now you can see here, 17 hours, 1,226 miles is what we gotta drive one way, and then we have to drive back. And Caleb now wants me to call him real quick because he was asking about the PCs if they were being shipped or not, which they were planning to, but UPS didn't have enough time to get it delivered anyway. So let's give him a call real quick. Yo.
What's up?
Real quick, dude. So, two things. Yeah. We were gonna ship the PCs out, but you know the whole thing with the flight stuff right now, everything's like being delayed or whatever.
Yeah.
So that got pushed back. So then we said, screw it, we'll fly over there. I bought tickets. We're gonna bring the plane in a Pelican case or the PCs, fly over there. All our flights got delayed literally completely where we won't be able to make it tomorrow. So,
oh shoot.
I literally said, screw it. I jumped in the truck. We're driving our way over there right now from North Carolina.
Yeah, hey man, y'all are some machines, man. I'm gonna lie.
I mean, listen, everything's done, everything's good to go. I can't waste it, you know what I mean? It can't be wasted. We gotta hone in on the opportunities, you know?
So how long is that trip?
17 hours. We'll be there at 1 p.m. So,
oh my God.
3 hours, I guess, before.
That's perfect time because we're gonna do our second test tomorrow at 2. So that'll give you guys time to get here, kind of, you know, recoup a little bit and then get to it.
Nah, we're gonna recoup afterwards. Don't worry.
Okay. That sounds good.
But yeah, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
All right, bet.
So we're gonna be cutting it close, but we'll make it. I don't know what to tell you guys, but we don't like Louisiana. I mean, it's probably cool. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at you. Look at all those plants over there. Like, who wants to live here? And it's raining right now, everything's getting flooded. But we're actually almost in Houston, where I think we have a few more miles. We have about an hour and 47 minutes left. Jomar and myself have only probably slept about 30 minutes total, so we've been up close to 35 hours now, pretty much, since yesterday. So, an 18-hour drive. Omar and myself finally made it here to Houston, Texas. Now we're gonna go head over to the event. It starts around 4 o'clock, so about an hour and 30 minutes. We're gonna see if we have time to reveal the PCs to Sketch and Agent first before the activation. So let's head on over there.
We're gonna show you how the PC we're playing for. Shut up. Courtesy of Power GPU. Hey, I'm ready, man. As soon as Sketch gets here, I've been getting edge all day from this bad boy right here. Yeah. The new PC smell, the new car smell. Oh man, undefeated. That just hits different.
See, my team makes fun of me when I pull out the power supply and I smell it. They don't understand. It smells good.
They're about to reveal the PC to us. Yeah. We haven't seen it yet.
Ready?
Oh, let's see it.
Here, stand over here. Stand over here. So the panel I have on there right now is yours. And then we'll show Sketch as well. All right, you ready?
Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! What? Yo, that is too tough!
If you win, this is the one you get.
Okay.
With the Skyline. Obviously, it's ours, so we had to
Yo, you know that's my dream car, right?
R34?
Yeah.
That'd be 26.
I almost bought one like 2 months ago. That's crazy. I've been trying to resist.
Godzilla. Everyone
yeah.
So actually keep around. Yeah, go around.
Wait, why is that so tough?
So you got Champion, Crowns up top, it says Champion at the top again. Champion.
That's insane. What's the specs on this?
So this one's rocking the 700 XP as last time, 64 gigs, Strix 48 Super, has a higher motherboard than the previous one, and you got a 2 terabyte NVMe drive as well. Now, real quick, let's come back over here though. Let me take out that panel. Hang on.
Brother.
Let me take this panel off real quick.
Yo, that's no. Yo.
So if you win, Scott, that'll be your PC.
You won't have to take it off.
Oh,
you don't have to take it off.
He might as well.
The confidence level.
Dude, this is sick.
That
like it?
Tough.
The artwork's insane, dude. Awesome.
Yeah, so Suto
That's
Custom,
pretty.
she does all our stuff, man. She's been killing it. But as you can see, we kind of did a football thing for you.
Oh, yeah.
NFL. And,
Thank you.
Yeah, of course, man.
Cool.
So you want me to leave it on there because you're going to win anyway, right?
Yes,
no,
sir.
no. Let's just take it off, and then we'll have it open for now.
Now listen, if you lose, I'll still give you the panel. So whoever loses, you can just.
You can go home with a panel.
Yes, sir.
You want the panel? Somebody else signs it.
Leaving with a panel is crazy work.
Participation.
That's tough though. That's really tough.
Also, we're giving away the same exact PC online. So the same exact design and everything. Whoever wins gets to choose the Sketch version.
Okay.
Whoever.
Got you. All right, let's lock in. Sketch, I'm ready.
Yo, that is dope. Yo.
Hey, this will be my first ever trophy.
I know. I drove a Lamborghini here, so I don't know how I'm going to fit all this in my car.
There's plenty of space in yours. Or you drove an Aventador?
I did. Thank you, Steve.
Okay, Sketch.
I'll let you ride.
Okay, Sketch.
I'll let you ride in and I'll let you play on my new PC.
Sketch. Say less. All you have to say.
Oh, you can stream up my new PC too right here.
That's not yours. All right. I love the overconfidence. This happened in Venice. Remember, this happened in Venice.
Yep.
You cheated then too, low key. You had your team picked for you by your.
You just can't. You're not gonna be able to just do hook shots all the time. So.
That's not even how we won. I just drafted a better team. Let's lock in, Sketch. All this
ready.
talk. All this talk.
Thank you, sir.
boys.
I'm excited.
Have fun.
Yes, sir.
I'll leave it on there.
Yeah, so I'm excited. Let's run some ones. If you cook me, you're off the team. Got it? Hey! Let's go, fellas!
So, Agent actually won against Sketch, so I went ahead and replaced the panel back to the Skyline, and we're actually going to go ahead and reward Agent with a free PC.
Right here, man. Right here. Talk it up, Agent00. This is your trophy.
Oh my God, you have no idea how much you can help. My old one broke at the trap house, unfortunately.
You know how.
So yeah, we know how. We actually saw the clip of how that happened. Hey, I want to thank you for this. You show a lot of love, man. You didn't have to. You just wanted to get involved in a way that helps support. And that means that chat, y'all also winning a PC. So wait, how can they do that?
So pretty much all they have to do is follow Power GPU on Twitter. Be live. I mean, they're in chat right now. We're gonna roll here in a little bit.
Yep. Okay, boom. So when you guys get a chance to win, wait. So this is gonna pick anybody random from the chat?
Yeah.
I bet. Say that then.
Oh wait,
I kind of want to run some ones
Sketch?
versus OT7 athletes. No way, Sketch. Let me talk to Sketch real
The
quick.
panel's right there.
Wait, where?
You want to give him his?
Yeah, let me give him his panel actually. Let me give him a sketch participation trophy. Yo, team. Let's walk this over to Sketch. Give him his prize, all right? But look, though, we got your prize. Let's go. Give it up for Sketch.
Thank you, bro.
Here you go. You got your panel.
Dude, shout out them.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll take pictures of the PC and send it to you once I get it back home.
Okay. Oh, is that a little chirp?
Hey, tell
GG's, brother.
everybody it's gonna have it.
Love you, bro.